Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can change the shape of the image in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this is my Canva app. So let me open one blank page. Okay, so I just take the presentation blank page. Okay, so this process is very simple, and I'm actually change the shape of image. I'm not going to use any frame. I'm actually using the shape, and I will show you how we can change shape for any image. Okay, so what you need to do, just go here, elements, and search for shapes. Okay, here you can see the shapes option. Just select all. Now select any shapes like this. Okay, I just take these shapes. Now just maximize the size, keep it middle of the page. Now here go to the app and search for option frame maker. Okay, so just open that app and convert. Here we have this new option. We can also make the frame for text. Okay, now go to the convert. Here go to the frame, select that frame, sorry, shapes, select frame option, go to the continue, entire design, and just convert the frame, size maximum, make the transparent background, export, entire design. Okay, the shape has been converted to the frame. Now what we need to do, we just upload your image from here. Go to upload image from here, and or you can simply use any image from Canva and just drag and blow up on this. Okay, so now you can see I have convert this image in this shape. Okay, so you can do with any shape in Canva. So you can convert or put image in any shape. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.